All right. Oh, I'm sorry, I stole it.
You got him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
There we go. That's a bite. That's a bite. Yeah. Right in the skinny, Neil. Thank you, buddy. That was fun. That's a hit on the Whopper Clopper. 60 and bluegill. That's a nice smallie.
That is a good one. Best one of the day, I think. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Neil, nice. Oh, there it is.
Got him.
On the top water. Come on. Come on, baby. That's a bronze back. That's a big smallie.
Get him, get him.
Hey, welcome back, fish dudes and fish ladies. I know there's a couple of you. I've seen you in my metrics before. Today, Neil and I are gonna hit up our favorite tributary, and we're gonna do a southern section of it that we usually get maybe once or twice a year. I've done it last year with Matt from Matt's Fishing Mission. Today we're gonna target smallmouth. Neil needs some rock bass. And of course we're gonna get our fair share of green sunnies. Man, it is the noisiest area in the world today. So we're gonna get started here in just a second. We got another YouTuber here, but he's not a fishing YouTuber. He's a
RC guy.
All right.
My channel is Kells RC. This is my Element Sendero Enduro HD. I call it Fifth Element.
nice.
Kind of corny, I know, but I figure Element. Why
like
not? But
you got that lithium battery you said lasts for 4 hours?
oh yeah.
Wow. All right, so check him out, and we are gonna hit the river right now. Holy weather, this is awesome. Yeah, it's a good thing we can see. All right.
Where's your pole?
Right there. So that's going on the fishing fail reel. I said it's a good thing we can see. All right.
All right.
I'm loaded. I am
Getting up on the shore here.
I am completely soaked. There you go. On the big Joshy, that's got to be a smallie, right?
Oh, look at
You got your rock bass. All right.
It's a nice size one.
Sure is.
Nice. Finally got one.
Cool.
Nice fish.
Nice. Oh, you lost it.
Get in there, Paul. Get in there.
Hiding out by that stump.
Yeah, that thing was good.
All right. Oh, I'm sorry, I stole it.
You got him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. He's got some weight to him, doesn't he?
What is he?
Oh, it's a rock bass.
God, the river bullies are out they're out in full force today. Neil and I don't catch those much in our area,
No,
which I've said on this video many times before,
Hey, that
while
was kind
catching
of a
river.
target species too, right?
That's right.
Yep. They just turn into dead weight.
We're just taking all the rock bass around this area, and eventually we'll hit a
Hey,
smallmouth.
they're all good size though.
They are. Every time I throw in, I catch a rock bass now. A little bit, if you're bored. Neil, we doubled up. Oh, I lost mine. Damn it. You get your first smallie of the day?
Rock bass.
Rocky? There we go. Woo! Easy now. All right, we're starting to upgrade here, Neil. As soon as I put on that crap slap spray, this guy went out and bit it. Sometimes it's all the difference, man. Just adding a little scent. That stuff's not that expensive either. You can buy a bottle of it off Cascade.com. And if you want 10% off, use this code right here. You know the drill. Helps the channel out, helps out a local Ohio lure company that supports us.
I have a feeling we're going to be getting deep here in a second.
First cast. New bait.
What'd you put on?
Chartreuse. Gary Yamamoto.
Chartreuse.
I brought all my fish on. This is a smallmouth. Well, maybe not. I gave up.
Yeah. No smallmouth gives up that easily.
I got rid of all my pumpkin and everything because I assumed that the water clarity wasn't going to be.
When'd you cut your grass last?
Oh, there he is again. He finally took it.
Yes. Oh. I don't know. I'm kind of going to count that. It almost touched your hand
I
there.
almost caught it. That was the same one.
Like Neil was saying, it might be the crap slap sauce is why they're keeping their mouth so long. Carrying it around like a dog toy.
We're just walking.
Drink of water, snack.
I just snapped my line.
You did? Good timing. Just out of boredom, I might put on a hard bait.
Crankbait?
Yeah, something different.
What are you doing? Square billy?
Maybe. Yeah, I was kind of interested. Maybe I can weed out the bigger ones.
I'm gonna throw this.
All right, Neil and I are going to change up, see if we can avoid the rock bass for a while. We're going to put on Purple Pearl Ghost, this Cast Cray crankbait, the square billy. Let's see what we can get. On the square billy. I was telling you, I prefer casting square bills on bait casters, just because the rod's tighter, fast action. But I am one rod, one reel today. Purple Pearl Ghost, square billy. Right there in the shallows. Neil doubled up on the square billies. Yes! Would you get a long ear? Hey, keep it on. That's a new species today.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Pretty he is though.
He got that on a square billy. All right. Whoop. New species. I'm so jealous of this house up here. You'll see it. That's a bite. That's a bite. Yeah. Right in the skinny, Neil. On the square billy. Hey, buddy. You have nice patterns. You hit that. Swiped it. Looks like a snag job instead. Won't count it.
That doesn't count?
I don't know. Not for me. I'll pop on the whopper flopper while I'm at it. You get the bottom of the water column, I'll get the top. Let it sit for a second. That's a hit. That's a hit on the whopper flopper. 60 and bluegill. Jeez, old Pete.
Dude, you got the best bait right now, man. For the shallow water.
Another rock bass hitting on the whopper plopper. Yes. It was the weight. Oh, I lost it. Oh, there you go, Neil.
Whopper flopper still?
The top water blow up. That's a nice smallie.
That is a good one. Best one of the day, I think.
Close, yeah,
Yeah,
probably.
the last one.
That's a nice smallie on the whopper plopper. We got some nice cool weather today, and the topwater bite is turning on. Here's a blow up.
Oh, I thought you got him.
Oh, I got one.
What happened?
I got a little.
Was that it? I thought you lost it.
Got me a little long ear. What's up, buddy? Why are you eating that? That will kill you if you try to eat that. That's the creek we came in at. On your left.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go that way. That takes us right back to our car the other way. Oh, bail. Oh, did we just do the same thing? Our bail's closed?
Oh, hell yeah.
Did it give up on the surface?
This one's a fatty.
You got a big stacked up school of Rockies. Oh, did you see that?
You have one?
I got hit. Oh, here it is.
Got it.
On the top water. Come on. Come on, baby. That's a bronze back. That ain't a rock back. That's a bronze back. That's a big smallie.
Get him, get him.
Yes. There we go.
Little chunker.
Little chunker.
Chubby.
Chubby, yeah. All right. He's
the
been
last
eating.
one was long and skinny. That guy's short and fat.
Yeah, and he's strong. He's just been hitting up minnows coming down the stream and just getting fat from it.
On the little whopper plopper.
On the little whopper plopper. Thank you, buddy. That was fun. That was fun. Neil, nice on the mini cranker. So awesome on the ultralight setup over there.
Oh, great. Might need your help.
The bass.
All right, well that's half of it. There we go.
The bass caught you. You want to just walk? Thanks for sticking around this long. If you like what you see and you want to see more, we'll be back in 1 week. So hit that subscription. Hit that bell so you'll get a notification. Give us a like or a comment down below. We love all of our subscribers, from YouTube to Instagram to Facebook to the Fish Brain app. We'll see you in a week.